Before we walk into any residence, building, commercial building, before we do any tests, for my own personal safety and for the safety of the occupants, the 1500s have a built-in carbon monoxide leak detector. So what I want to do is turn the unit on outside in fresh air before I ever walk into someone's home or utility room. So what we're doing now is waiting for this thing to auto-calibrate. It takes 60 seconds, and once it beeps and it tells me, hey, I'm done, I'm ready to test. Let's go inside. So right now, we actually did the auto zero outside, and we're walking into the occupant's home, giving myself and them the assurance that there's no carbon monoxide coming from any potential source. Whether I walk through the hallway, through the kitchen, and maybe do a courtesy walk around the home, and then downstairs to the utility room, we definitely want to make sure that there's no carbon monoxide down there. Okay, so some of the tools that we're going to need in order to properly do a combustion efficiency on this 80% gas-fired furnace is obviously the combustion analyzer. Your setup screwdriver for this piece of equipment so we can actually adjust the gas pressure if needed. Your differential pressure manometer kit so we can actually test the gas pressure. The next thing you're going to need is obviously your dual hose probe that comes with the analyzer. The probe itself is what gets put into the stack and gives you your CO2 calculation, gives you your oxygen measurement, your CO measurement in the stack, and calculates your combustion efficiency. Then we have the quick reference guide. If you have the manual for the certain appliance, great. The quick reference guide that comes with each 1500 is a nice guideline. It's a nice one-page quick reference guide that gets you through the operation of the equipment. But it also comes with a typical guideline, whether I'm doing an 80% gas-fired furnace, condensing, oil-fired. It'll give you some guidelines of where you should be for most parameters like oxygen and temperature and CO and efficiency and things like that. But I would definitely follow the manufacturer specs.